El día de hoy voy a presentar el lugar turístico. Soy de la ficha 3074 del programa de formación Desarrollo Publicitario. That Cañón Piplicua is located at Pehuila. Is let you connect with nature, food quiet at youth feeds, and see cheat road learn that water. Guide you to river with a beautiful green let skin. That river is truly beautiful, and after I love had each feel like future to reach that spot and beat able to enjoy that cool water. Its currents can compass a connection with nature from waking and curate that birds and that sound of that water. Is one of that activities where you can free yourself from stress. Routine HPs and simply you neutral, where you can experience that tranquility and brains.